So Linux is completed, right, guys? Guys, completed or not?
Yes, sir, complete.
Yeah. So where we are deploying our servers? So where we are keeping our servers? So where we are keeping our servers? Guys, speak out. Where we are
Data
keeping?
center.
Yes, very good. Where we are keeping? We are keeping it in the data center, right, guys? So we are keeping our servers in the data center. Yeah. So we discussed about the physical and the virtualization. Right, guys. For example, this is physical and this is a virtualization. So this is physical and so this is a virtualization. What this is a physical and virtual. So this is a physical server and so virtual server. For example, our environment, so non-production environment will be in the virtualization. So, right, you are keeping these servers in the data center only. Where you are keeping? You are keeping in the data center only. So the development team and QA team will work on only how many hours, guys? 8 hours per day. Morning 10 a.m. to evening 6 a.m. Right? So morning 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. they will work on it, and after that they will leave the office and they will not use the development and QA non-production servers. Okay, but we are paying the money if you are not using the if you are not using it, right? So only in 24 hours we are using only 8 hours, but we are paying the money for 24 hours, right? So is there any solution? A solution is called it as a what is that, guys? The solution is cloud. What is that, guys? The solution is cloud. So the cloud, what the cloud provides, they provide. So they also provide the virtualization concept, also physical and virtualization. But what they are providing, so whenever you use the cloud, whenever you use the service, right, at that time only you can pay the money. What is the slogan of cloud, guys? What is the slogan of the cloud? What is the slogan of cloud? Pay as you go. So whenever you use that server, right, at that time only you can pay the money. So what they are providing? They are providing the pay as you go model. Guys, what they are providing? They are providing the pay as you go model. Pay as you go means so so there is no much difference between cloud and data center. There is no much difference between cloud and data center. So what it is same like as a same like as a data center. Yeah. They are link up with the data centers. They are link up with the data centers. Just this is a API. What is this, guys? This is just a API or a website or application. What is this? A website or application. Right. So this is a API or website or application. Right. So what they are, how they creating something like so banking, insurance, and hospital. So banking, insurance, and hospital. So before how you are doing your transactions, guys? Before how you are doing your transactions, guys? Before how you are doing
Only
your
physical
transactions?
Cash.
So
cash.
manually go to
Cash.
the bank and you will do the transfer. How you will transfer the money? So physically you are going to the bank and write the slip and you can give it to the cash that bank employee will transfer to the another account, right? So So how you are paying your insurance premium, guys? How you are paying your insurance premium? Or the same like as a hospital. So nowadays cashless hospital, something like you can pay online through cash. So you can visit the online, everything through online, right, guys? So so nowadays they are creating the application for every environment. They are creating a application for every industry. Something like this is the banking, this is the insurance, and this is the hospital. Right? Same like as a so what they are providing in the data center, they are providing the IaaS. What is IaaS, guys? Guys, what is IaaS? IaaS is nothing but a infrastructure. Infrastructure as a service. What they are providing, guys? They are providing a infrastructure as a service. Which service data center provides? Which service data center provides, guys? Infrastructure as a service. Guys, understood? Infrastructure as a service. So what they are providing? They are providing the infrastructure as a service. They are providing the infrastructure as a service. Okay. So So, so one thought. So I want to give a. So I don't want to. So I don't want to use the servers 16 hours. 16 hours. So if you having any issue, you need to go to the data center and resolve the issue. So is there any possibility to create a website and link up to the data center? Yes, there is a possibility. That possibility is called as a cloud. That possibility called as a cloud. Cloud creates a website and link up to the data centers. So whenever you want a server, just click, it will automatically, it's a predefined environment. These all data centers are predefined, predefined environment. Right? It's defined. Okay. So predefined environment, infrastructure as a service, and it's a predefined environment. It created the a application for the data center also. It's created a application for the data center and link up to the data center. Is understood? So, so why it is popular? One is pay as you go. Whenever you use the server, right? That time only we can pay the money. So other advantage is it's a predefined environment. Once you click it automatically set up the environment, and it's a online service. What is that? Cloud is nothing but a online. If you have a internet, you can connect anywhere. You can connect from anywhere. If you have a internet, you can connect from anywhere. Another one advantage is that is so they created a application same like as a banking, insurance, and they created a application website and so link it to the data center. So once you connect to the cloud, right? If you click the instance, it will create the instance from the data center. Instance from the data center. So, right. So in data center, they are providing the IaaS infrastructure as a service, but cloud also provides the IaaS. There is no much difference between these two, right? And the another advantage is what they are creating IaaS and PaaS and SaaS. What IaaS? IaaS is nothing but infrastructure as a service. PaaS is nothing but a platform as a service. SaaS is nothing but a software as a service. So these all are the cloud services. Apart from IaaS, they define the PaaS and SaaS also. So what these are, guys? These are the cloud services. Cloud services. So so one is pay as you go. Other one is they created an application for the server, and the other one advantage is PaaS is SaaS. They are providing the SaaS and PaaS, right? And what are the cloud providers? Who provides the cloud? Amazon provides a AWS cloud. AWS cloud. Google provides a GCP cloud. Oracle creates a OCI cloud. IBM creates a IBM cloud. The same like as a Microsoft. Microsoft creates a which cloud, guys? Azure. Microsoft provides a Azure cloud. Yeah, guys. So they are providing a these are the cloud providers. So what are the cloud providers? Amazon AWS cloud, Google GCP cloud, Oracle OCI cloud, IBM cloud, Microsoft Azure Azure cloud, and Alibaba cloud. These companies are provided the cloud providers. What these are? These all are cloud providers. What these all are? These all are cloud providers. Okay. So what are the services? Cloud services. The cloud services are IaaS, SaaS, PaaS. So if you took any cloud, if you took any cloud, these are the services they are providing. What they are providing? They are providing the IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS services. They are providing the IaaS, SaaS. So what are the cloud environments? What are the cloud environments? Public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Okay, public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Okay, so these are all the cloud environments. What are the environments? Public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So what is this public, what is private, what is hybrid? I will discuss. What is IaaS, what is PaaS, and what is SaaS? You already know what is IaaS. What is IaaS? They are providing the infrastructure as a service. What is platform as a service? What is software as a service? So we'll discuss. Okay, guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Why they are moving from a data center to cloud?
Pay as you
So
go.
Yeah,
pay as
pay as you go.
pay as you go, and we can connect over the online. So we can connect from anywhere. And so apart from IaaS, they are providing the PaaS and SaaS services. So what are the cloud providers?
As pass as three services
Cloud
provided.
providers, not cloud services.
Okay,
Cloud
okay.
providers.
Services,
Amazon, Amazon,
Oracle,
Google, Oracle, IBM, and this.
IBM, Microsoft.
Okay. Okay. So Amazon provides AWS. What is AWS? Amazon Web
Amazon
Web
Web
Service, Web
Services.
Service.
Services, GCP, Google Cloud pro- Provider, Google Cloud Provider, OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, IBM, Azure, right? So what they are providing the services IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. So these core services should be same. These core services should be same on every cloud. Okay. What they are providing the IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and public, private, and hybrid cloud. Public, private, and hybrid cloud. Okay. Public, private, and hybrid cloud. Okay. So this is nothing but a basic intro about the cloud. So initially, so who is created the cloud? So the first created the cloud is Amazon. Who created the cloud, guys? Amazon created the cloud. Okay. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what they are providing? They are providing a AWS, Amazon Web Services. They are providing the services. For example, if you want a EC2 instance, if you want a VM, what is this? VM is nothing but a virtual machine, right? So in this virtual machine, so we need to install the OS. We need to provide the everything. We need to provide the information, everything, right? But here it's already created. It's already created a VM, and just if you select the instance here, launch instance here, it will automatically launch from here. It will automatically launch from here. Okay. So because of it's already predefined environment. It's already predefined environment. So they are providing the services. They are providing the services for the basic services. So compute, network, storage, and database. What are the services they are providing? They are providing the four basic cloud services. What those are services? Compute services, network services, storage services, and database services. Okay, understood? Guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah, before that, I will give you another example. Yeah. So what exactly is cloud? What are the benefits of a cloud? Why need you to learn cloud? What cloud options we have? What skills needed to be cloud job ready? So what is cloud? What is a cloud? What are the what is a cloud? Cloud computing is a on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet. What is a cloud, guys? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet. What are the IT resources? Something like compute, network, storage, database. So what they are providing? They are providing the over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. So instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, databases on as needed basis from cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. Okay. So all these application, platform, infrastructure, everything will be deployed in the cloud. Everything will be provided in the cloud. Okay. Now you understood what is cloud. So cloud computing is a on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and databases as needed basis from cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Platform. Google Platform. Okay. So what are the benefits of using cloud? What are the benefits, guys? So cost saving. The services are free from capital expenditure rather than the purchasing expensive systems and equipment for your business. You can reduce your cost by using the resources of your cloud computing services provider. You just have to pay as you go to pay as you operate and enjoy the model. Automation of update of the softwares, automated updates on the software, disaster recovery, 24 by 7 availability, security, so reduced carbon footprint and sustainable scalability, enhanced collaboration, all over functioning and easy maintainable. So these are the benefits of cloud. So why you need to learn cloud? Why you need to learn cloud? Guys, why you need to learn cloud? So why you need to learn cloud? Yeah. So what are those high demand, future proof of career, increase your professional profile, personal growth and future and high earnings. Okay. So high demand, all industries embarrassing cloud, moving from on-premise. What is on-premise, guys? On-premise is nothing but a data center. On-premise to public cloud to save cost, which is creating demand for cloud engineers and more opportunities. Future-proof careers. What are the future-proof careers? Cloud computing is a demand from last many years and in the future also going to stay and even grow further, which simply create more opportunities for cloud architect, engineers, and application developers. Increase your professional profile. So increase your professional profile. If you learn basics of cloud, then you can transfer your current skill set to automation, development, networking, and cloud. It will definitely increase your profile, your personal profile. Additionally, if you manage to keep learning, keep achieving new skills and gain cloud certifications, then it will be a more away some personal growth and future scope. The purpose of learning cloud is not just about getting a job in company. If you become a skilled through, you can start your startup company, or you can offer cloud or consulting services, or just hobbying solve traditional problems with cloud skills. Not just that, the skills you gain through cloud learning journey, you can use it as you see fit, up to your creativity. High earnings, so when the demand of the cloud professional is high, then the current available talents, so you have a potential to gain the high earnings. Okay, what are the cloud options we have? Types of cloud-based uses: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. I already discussed it, right? So, what is a public cloud? Offered by third-party providers, available to anyone over the public internet, scales quickly and convenient. What is private cloud? Offered to select users over the internet as a private internal network, provides greater security controls, requires a traditional data center staffing and maintenance. Hybrid cloud, combination of both public and private cloud, shared security responsibility, helps to maintain tighter controls over the sensitive data and process. So what are the cloud options we have? What are the types of cloud computing? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. I will discuss, guys. Okay, so what cloud options we have? What cloud we options we have? So cloud, on-premises, and hybrid. So what is a cloud? A cloud-based application is fully deployed in the cloud, and all the parts of application run in the cloud. Applications in the cloud have either been created in the cloud, or we have been migrated from an existing infrastructure to take advantage of from the benefits of cloud computing. Cloud-based applications can be built in low-level infrastructure pieces, or can use higher level services that provides abstraction from the management, architecting and scaling requirements for the core infrastructure. On-premises, deploying resources on-premises using virtualization and resource management tools is sometimes called as a private cloud. On-premises deployment does not provide many of the benefits of cloud computing, but sometimes sought for the its ability to provide dedicated resources. In most cases, this deployment model is the same as legacy IT infrastructure, while using application management and virtualization technologies to try to increase resources utilization. What is the hybrid? A hybrid deployment is a way to connect infrastructure and application between cloud-based resources and existing resources that are not located in the cloud. The most common method of hybrid deployment is between the cloud and existing on-premise infrastructure to extend and grow an organization infrastructure into the cloud while connecting to the while connecting cloud resources in the internal systems. So what are the cloud options we have? What are the clouds? Below are below are top three cloud service providers. What are those guys? AWS, Azure, and GCP. So AWS is nothing but Amazon Web Services is the world most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 200 fully featured services from data center globally. Millions of customers, including the fastest growing startups, largest enterprises, and leading government agencies, are using AWS to lower costs, become a more agile and innovative faster. So Microsoft Azure. So who provides the Azure, guys? Microsoft company provides the Azure. The Azure cloud platform is more than 200 products and cloud services designed to help you bring new solutions to life to solve today's challenges and create the future. Build, run, and manage applications across multiple clouds, on-premises and at the edge with the tools and frameworks of your choice. Cloud platform. Google Cloud Platform. So GCP Google Cloud Platform offered by Google is a suite of the cloud computing services that runs the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end user products such as Google Search, Gmail, file storage, and YouTube alongside a set of management tools. It provides a series of modular cloud services including cloud computing, data storage, data analytics, and machine learning. Guys, understood? These are the cloud providers. What skills needed to become a cloud job ready? So basic cloud knowledge, database knowledge, virtualization and containerization, API and JSON, Linux scripting skills, programming optional, automation, and cloud services platform expertise. Gaining through the understanding of a CSP marketplace is in the good starting point. Familiarize with the you familiarize yourself with the AWS, Azure, GCP, other companies with cloud platforms like IBM, Dell, Cisco Systems, and Oracle. So right, so metrics and analysis, automation, cost management, automation, Linux shell scripting, programming optional, API and JSON, so virtualization and containerization, basic cloud knowledge, a database. So these are the skills for job ready. Okay, guys. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but what is cloud and why cloud. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. So introduction to cloud computing. So what is that, guys? So introduction to cloud computing. So introduction to cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Why we go for cloud computing? History and origins of cloud computing. Characteristics of a cloud computing. Types of cloud services. Software as a service. Platform as a service. Infrastructure as a service. And cloud implementation types and conclusion. So cloud implementation types and conclusion. So what is a cloud service? So what is a cloud service? Services and solutions that are delivered and consumed in the real time over the internet or cloud or cloud services are called as a cloud services. What is cloud services? Cloud services and solutions that are delivered and consumed in real time over internet or cloud called cloud services. So when you store your photos online, use webmail or social networking site, you will use the cloud computing services. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a delivery model of computing services over the internet. Over the internet. Over the internet. Cloud computing is the delivery model of computing services over the internet. It enables real-time development and delivery of a broad range of products, services, and solutions. Cloud computing is a style of computing where massively scalable IT-related capabilities. So, what are the IT-related capabilities? Storage, compute, network, and databases. So or provide services across the over the internet to a multiple external customers. So what is a cloud computing? What is cloud computing? So computing and software resources that are delivered on demand as a services. As a services. So what they are providing the services? So application storage and database services they are providing, right? So why we go for cloud computing? Lower computing cost, improved performance, a reduced software cost, instant software updates, unlimited storage capacity, increased data reliability, device independent and always on anywhere and any place. So free from the maintenance and no need to know. These are the cloud computing. Why we are going for cloud computing? Lower cost computing, improved performance, reduced the software cost, instant software updates, unlimited storage capacity, increased data reliability, device independence, and always on, anywhere and any place, free from the maintenance, and no need to know about it. Okay, history and origins of the cloud computing. So in 1996, supercomputers and mainframes are started. On the 1919, the first milestone of the cloud is arrival. On the 2000, the launch of Amazon Web Services. 2000, S3 is launched. 2006, so the first services is nothing but a S3 and EC2 and SQS services started. In 2008, they started the another cloud providers, so Windows and GCP. Yeah, guys. S- Right. So characteristics of the cloud computing. So characteristic of the cloud computing. So on-demand self services. Please check it as soon as possible. So characteristics of cloud computing: on-demand self-service, flexible pricing per user, ubiquitous network access, so rapid elasticity, resource pooling, right? So on-demand self-services. So characteristic of cloud computing: on-demand self-services, ubiquitous network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, flexible pricing. Guys, understood? So these all are the characteristic of cloud computing. Yeah. So cloud services layers. So what are the cloud services layers? So infrastructure. So infrastructure as a service. What is that? So infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, application as a service. So something like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. So what is that? Cloud service layers. So infrastructure as a service. So IaaS is the delivery of a technology. Infrastructure as an on-demand scalable service. On-demand. So platform as a service. What is I will discuss, guys. So platform as a service provides all the facilities required to support the complete life cycle of the building and delivering the web applications and services entirely from the internet. Software as a service. Software as a service is a software delivery of a methodology that provides licensed multi-tenant access to a software and its functions remotely as web-based services. So what are the services? Cloud services layers are. What are the cloud service layers, guys? So what are the cloud service layers?
SAS, PAS, IAS.
What is that? IAS?
SAS,
No, no. IAS, PAS,
PAS,
SAS.
SAS.
Prem, what are the cloud services? Prem, are you there?
IaaS, PaaS,
Hmm.
SaaS.
What is IAS?
Infrastructure as a service.
What is PAS?
Platform as a service.
What is SAS?
Software as a service.
Ah. So our data center provides only, our data center provides
IAS.
only IaaS, infrastructure as a
IaaS.
service. So infrastructure as a service means servers, networking,
Storage.
storage, and
Right.
data center firewalls, load balancers. So okay, so infrastructure provides only server services, storage, and networking. But platform as a service, what platform as a service? Platform as a service in the web 2.0 application runtime means Apache, Java database, Java. We need to install the softwares. So once we got the server, once we got the server, so then so we will install the Apache and we will install the Java, we will install the Tomcat, right? So that is nothing but a platform as a service. So software as a service means we need to provide everything. So something like, for example, Lakshmi came into the cloud, contact to the cloud, and they Lakshmi want a or Prem want any one of the application. For example, so they are working on the shipyard, so they want a software for the shipyard, right? So they doesn't know the infrastructure, they doesn't know the development, they don't know anything, but they need a software, right? So that time they will connect to the AWS or any cloud and they will provide their requirements and they will create the software, they will develop the software, they will build the infra and they will deploy it and they will give it as a software as a service. Now you understood? So cloud service models. So what are the cloud service models? Traditional IT. Traditional IT is nothing but our data center. What is that, guys? Traditional IT is nothing but a data center environment. So what is IaaS? What is PaaS? What is SaaS? IaaS, if you took as IaaS as a service, they will provide up to OS. They will manage up to OS. The virtualization, servers, storage, networking, everything will be taken care by our own. If you took the platform as a service, sorry, if you took the so IaaS as a software as a service, they are providing the network, storage, servers, and virtualization up to OS. So that software installations and application deployment will be taken care by our own. So if you took as a platform as a service, up to runtime. Up to runtime means software installations. So they will deploy the application and using the application. SaaS is nothing but a software as a service. They will provide everything. What? They will provide everything. Okay. Cloud service model. So traditional IT. IaaS, so PaaS, IaaS, PaaS, IaaS is nothing but a only infrastructure. PaaS is nothing but up to Java Tomcat installation. So SaaS is nothing but everything will be delivered by the cloud providers. So cloud implementation types. So what are the cloud implementation types? Private, hybrid, public. You already know, right? Public. So public is nothing but external cloud. So everyone can use it. So internally we can, if you want to use the internal cloud, you can use the private. If you want to use both, you can go the hybrid cloud. So public cloud owned and managed by the service provider, made available to the general public or a large industry group. Okay. So private cloud operated slowly of an organization, may be managed by the organization or a third party, limited access to the enterprise and partner. So what is that? Hybrid cloud. Composition of two or more clouds. Composition of two or more clouds is nothing but a private public cloud bounded together by standardized or prioritized technology that enables data and application probability. Okay. So conclusion. Cloud computing is the fastest growing part of network-based computing. It provides a tremendous benefit to the customers of all sizes, simple users, developers, and enterprises, and all types of organizations. Okay. Next, AWS. What is that, guys? Now, So we are discussing about the AWS. What is AWS? Benefits of using AWS, history and origins of AWS, AWS components, AWS services, AWS regions, AWS availability zones, AWS edge locations, AWS certifications. So we'll discuss tomorrow. We'll discuss what is the agenda. We'll discuss tomorrow. What is AWS? Benefits of using AWS, history and origins of AWS, AWS components, AWS services, AWS regions, AWS availability zones, AWS edge locations, AWS certifications. Guys, understood?
Sir, one time
Hmm.
SaaS అంటే ఏంటి ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Software as a service. What is that?